We're going to create 3 different kinds of weaves today. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to take a fine section, just enough that you can see your hand through. And to create a basic weave, we're going to take it straight out. And 1 inch away from the scalp, we're going to pull down. We're going to put our finger right through, and we're going to catch our weaves. So it's a medium weave. So again, section, straight out, inch away from the scalp, pull down. And take our finger through. That creates our medium weaves. For baby lights, very simple. Same pull method, straight out, taken at an angle. Insert our finger through, and we have some great baby lights. So again, section, pull straight out, at an angle, pull down, and there are baby lights. For piecier highlights or chunky highlights, pull out the same tension, pull straight out towards us. 1 inch away from our fingers, we're gonna pull right on down. And this is gonna create 4 to 5 highlights. So again, section, pull out towards us 1 inch away, pull down, and pull our finger through. And there is our chunky. So again, for medium highlights, pull out, inch away from scalp, pull down. For baby lights, same. Pull out towards us at an angle. Put our finger through. And then for chunky, and that was the speed weaver.